Hello, dear customer. Ruichi Hardware is a one-stop hardware supplier with 20 years of factory production experience and 10 years of online service in Alibaba. We have realized one-stop OEM and ODM service from product design, mold making, material sorting, production line, packing and quality inspection, and door-to-door delivery service. To provide satisfactory products and service for customers in 20 countries around the world. We have registered our own trademark in China, United States, Australia, and some major marketing countries, and achieved global branding. We received a lot of praise, trust, and continuous cooperation from old and new customers. We are specialized in the production and sales of gutter system series products, including gutter, end cap, inside and outside corner, and gutter hanger. A very good management system and the ISO quality system certification that to ensure product quality and after-sales service. Welcome to visit our factory for business. Our excellent sales team responds quickly to provide you with professional service.